Hello students, today we have got geography lecture. So in your textbook, come to page number 56. Name of the lesson is Industries and lesson number 8. Now from last two lectures, we are seeing what you mean by industries. We have seen what are the necessary things required to establish a industry. We have also seen types of industry. Which are the three types of industry? Small industry, medium industry, and heavy industry. Then we have seen what is agro-based industries and why industrial development is important. Now students, come to your page number 56. Study the factors given in figure 8.7 and classify them as per their advantage and disadvantage in relations to industry. There are many advantages of industrial development. So industries have got advantage, good results, and disadvantage, bad results. There are also some disadvantage. Also because of industrialization, the youth means today's generation, in an area get employment. People get employment in industry. It also helps in increasing the per capita income. It tries to increase our income. For the economic development of an agrarian country, agriculture country, it is necessary to have it is necessary to have industries based on agricultural products. So if we are living in agrarian country, we have to set up agricultural products. Such industries not only result in agricultural development but also the economic development of a country. So not only our agricultural development will take place but also our country will develop. The standard of living people also rises, and today people standard also will rise. Now student, we have got something new. It is called information technology industry. Now what you mean by information technology industry? Now see, below that you are given some question. What are the different ways of obtaining information? Now how you get different information? By interview or survey, data analysis are ways of obtaining information. What is the fastest way of obtaining information? Internet is the fastest way of obtaining information in today's time. How do WhatsApp, Facebook, Google Mac, etc. work? All this social platform, which social platform? Your WhatsApp, your Facebook, your Google Maps work through the internet, and they work through the internet. Now let us see what you mean by information technology. Information technology is an important engineering branch in today's world. Today we have got many call centers and all are related to information technology. In this branch, the work is carried out by computer. So all the work is carried out with the help of computer. In this industry, India has made rapid progress. So India has made lot of progress in which industry? In information technology industry. The availability of skilled manpower. Skilled manpower means those who are very good, is the most important reason for this. In this industry, searching for technical information, obtaining, analyzing, and compiling means all the information is obtained. We analyze and we make it together and presenting it graphically and providing it as a per requirement in the nature of work. All this information is obtained from the internet on computers, mobile, and other devices. So from where we get information today? On your internet, on your computer, on your mobiles and other devices. The creation or development of special software on this handset is another important component of the industry. So a special software is created for getting an information. Today, There is an increase in the use of computer and technology. So today, what we are using more, we are using computers. There is a great variety in types of information collected and it is used all over the world. Now, corporate social responsibility. What you mean by corporate social responsibility? When an industrialist or a group of industries work for the betterment of the society and for the conservation of the environment, it is known as corporate social responsibility. Here, only setting up an industry is not important, but we have to take care of our environment also. Showing responsibility to a society by helping needy people or needy organization is an important task. So we are working to help people with the objective when an industry or a group of industries have made a profit of over 5 crores, they are expected to spend at least 2% of their profit on acts benefiting the society. So whichever industry makes a profit, so they have to spend 2% of their profit for the benefit of the society. For this, the assistant in the area below is expected. The provision of educational facilities. Some of the industries give educational facilities. The provision of facility related to health. Some health facilities, like if for example if some worker is been injured, so they should be given a health facility, they should given a leave sanction. The development of the village or region, or if that industry is there in village and it has made a profit, they try to make a development in village, in that village. Establishing centers for people like environment development centers, etc. There is a tax rebate on account spent by the industry or group of industry on various schemes under corporate social responsibility. Now, come to our right hand side, we have got industrialization and environment. Now, what do you mean by industrialization and environment? Manufacturing includes processing of raw material in order to obtain the finished product. We have seen, okay, why industries have been set up. So all the for manufacturing, because of manufacturing. During the manufacture of the product, some harmful residual materials and pollutants are also left behind. For example, if the industry is chemical industry, what the chemical industry gives, it gives all pollutants. Pollutants. As a result, there is a pollution of air, water, noise, and land. So we have got different types of pollution like air, water, noise, and land. This type of pollution is termed as industrial pollution, and this is called as the industrial pollution. Industrial pollution, the resultant environment, and the problems relating to it are being seriously discussed at the international level. So today, many industries have been set up, and what problems these industries are created, it is being discussed in international level. While deciding the location of industries, along with the traditional factors, serious thought is being given to environmental factors. So before setting up an industry, environmental factors have to be given important. To control the pollution caused by industries, proper disposal of sewage and harmful residuals and proper treatment of the pollutant should be done. So before sending all the disposal in a sewage means like a gutter or something, before sending this, a proper treatment should be done before sending it to the sewage. Fuel saving vehicles and other equipment must be manufactured. Pollutions control, preservation of natural resources, environmental management, etc. are factors which must be taken into account. So all these factors should be taken into account. In India, in order to check industrial pollution, many laws and regulations have been formed. So there are environmental laws which have been set up for industry, both at the national and at the state level. So at the national also and at the state level also. Certain rules have been framed, environmental rules they are called, both at the national and state level. Example, the Water and Air Pollution Control Act and the Conservation of Environment Act. The Central Pollution Control Board of India looks into prevention and control of pollution. So which board? The Central Pollution Control Board looks into this, the prevention control of pollution. In this context, any conservation of this law would mean that the management of the factory would be held responsible and would be liable for punishment. Means, if the management is not trying to follow the rules regarding environment, then the management can be punished if the rules are not been followed by him. Okay, students? Hope so. You have understood this lesson. I will send geography worksheet. Try to find these answers. किती मिनिटं झाला